start with Kajabi with 50% discount for a year. Well, it's very easy. Just follow the link below and you can start with the best deal for Kajabi currently available. I'm Bastiaan the Koning from Jiffy Course Online. I'm a Kajabi expert and a legend partner, and I can offer you this very special deal currently for just a few weeks. So act on it very fast. Just follow the link and I can give you the best deal available. At this point, I think you know what Kajabi is. But if you haven't heard about Kajabi and think, hey, why do I see this video? Kajabi is an all-in-one platform to build your online business. It's very easy to use and you can use all the tools you need to build that business without using different software tools and connecting them with duct tape solutions like Zapier. When you just start with Kajabi, your dashboard in Kajabi will look like this. And let me highlight just a few details Kajabi is offering you. First, you have the products. And products is all that stuff that you can sell online to your clients. Think of courses or cohort courses. Think of memberships. Think of your community, coaching products, your downloads. Even you can make your podcast a private podcast and you can create a private newsletter. And it is great to have all those products available for you to sell, but you also need a tool to sell them. So Kajabi is offering an inbuilt tool like Kajabi Payments. And with Kajabi Payments, you can create offers and checkout for all your products. And as it is integrated, when people purchase something from you, they immediately get access to that specific product you're offering. But think bigger. We have products, we have something to sell. People need to find your website. So they have a website too. You can build your full website in Kajabi. You can also build landing pages, and with landing pages you have unlimited pages to offer your opt-ins, your thank you pages, your webinar pages, your sales pages. There's no limitation in the number of landing pages you can use. But still, we're talking about all the tools you need to build your business. So we have our products, we have the sales possibilities, we have the website, but we also need email marketing. And with email marketing, you can send mails to the people to sell your product, but also to welcome them into your products. And email marketing in Kajabi comes also with all kinds of automations that you can use for people who opt in to send them to an email sequence, or to give them an ebook, or to grant them a specific offer. It's all integrated in Kajabi. And of course, when we get people in, you have contacts. So you have your CRM also inside Kajabi. If you haven't started yet with Kajabi, follow the link below and you get that 50% discount. It's for a full year, it's on your monthly payments. This means that when you start with the smallest plan, the Kickstarter plan, you're not gonna pay $89 per month, but just $44 per month. And that's just $1.50 a day to build your online business. But maybe it's better to think a little bit bigger. If you have the option, go for the basic plan or the growth plan. These plans give you the possibility to grow through the year to a sustainable online business. But as I said, this deal is very limited and it will end on November 7th, 2025. If you see this video after this date, still follow this link and I can give you another amazing deal. If you're thinking about creating your online business, you can be that person that wants to create that first online course. Or maybe if you have a following on social media, you can start with your community in Kajabi. Or maybe if you're a coach, you can do your online coaching with your people inside Kajabi. It doesn't matter with which product you start. You choose the product that fits the best with you. Kajabi is just a tool that offers everything for you to do this. I work with Kajabi since 2014. And in this incredible decade, I helped over 1,100 Kajabi users to build their courses, to build their websites, to build their memberships. And I really love this platform because it's so complete and it makes it so easy, and you don't have to stress from updating your WordPress website or how to connect all those tools together with Zapier or webhooks or other difficult stuff. Kajabi makes it easy for you, and it's easy for you to start just today. But let me make it more sweet for you to start with Kajabi. At Jiffy Course Online, we build products that really enhances the possibility in Kajabi, like we add gamification to your courses. So when people follow a lesson, they get a badge or they see confetti, and they are rewarded for what they have accomplished in your courses. And the more they learn, the more they stay in your courses. The more they learn, the more you will earn. And our signature product is Gamify Pro. And Gamify Pro is a course template that you can just put on your own course and immediately create all those gamification items inside that course. People are loving it. And if you want to have this Gamify Pro template, you will get it for free when you sign up following this link. When I started with Kajabi myself, I was still using all kinds of WordPress tools, building my website with plugins that I purchased everywhere. When I started with Kajabi, I was flabbergasted by the ease of use that it was offering. And by then it only offered the course experience. Then they came with the website, then they came with the landing pages, then they came with the email marketing. And I dished all my software tools. I skipped ActiveCampaign. I skipped my WordPress website just because I could use everything in Kajabi. And I want you to give this experience too. So if you want to skip the stress with other platforms, WordPress, with connections, with Zapier, just try it out and see what it can do for you. And I hope that you will love it as much as I do. We're at the end of this video, and I hope that you liked it, you watched it till here. So give me that like on this video and you will help me with my YouTube channel. And if you haven't signed up, just follow the link. But if you still hesitating about your online business, let me tell you how I built my business to grow to 100K a year. When you go to www.jiffycoursonline.com/guide, you will get my Hitchhiker's Guide to 100K. And in this Hitchhiker's Guide, I will show you the 6 steps I used to start from single products, to get my first clients, and to build it out to a sustainable business making 100K a year. You can download the Hitchhiker's Guide for free with the link below. I'm Bastiaan the Koning from Jiffy Course Online, and I really love to help you with Kajabi, but the next step is for you right to do now. Follow the link, sign up, and you will get my Gamify Pro template even for free with the 50% discount. I see you in my next video.